reacting to a YouTube video.
That's the line you don't cross with me. Things like that I'll play into and then wait.
What the?
Rainbow, that makes sense.
Restart.
No way, it still thinks that this is a bird. Okay, more randomness. Okay, flame. This makes sense because fire. But, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, what about flowers? Okay. Electric fan, that makes sense. G for. What about? Let's go with something random with games. Why did you think that a cookie was a game? And this too? No! Okay, let's go with something random. Rainbow, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. P for period. I mean, this is not a pyramid. It's some kind of scan thing. But this is not a pyramid either. It's a triangle. Ah! Okay, let's go with something random. What about this? No. Hat. Why did you think that this was a hat? I mean, this makes sense, but why this? And this? Man, my iPhone takes over. Okay, let's try something
Wait,
random.
it's still playing the video. No.
Oh wait, I can't search up people names. It's no fixed for the fruit. Food. I mean, apple is a fruit, yeah. Tomato is too, but people still consider it a vegetable. Please don't start a civil war in my comments, please. But why this? Pumpkin's a vegetable, not a fruit. Okay, this makes sense, but why these two? Just why?
Kiki.
Okay. Let's go with something random now. I'll just type a random letter. See what happens.
I think I did H already.
Okay, so far there's helmet, humans, homebird, handwriting, and head skeleton.
Whoa.
For some reason it still thinks. For some reason it thinks firing is headgear. And this chest piece too. And radio and salt and these three profile pictures. Also for some reason it still thinks that salt and pepper are hats. I mean, this is a human. This is a human. This is not a human. This is just a brain. These are not humans. These are in fact my object OCs. But I was too late. That's not a human at all. It's a keyboard. Neither is this. This is a human. This is a human. These are humans. This is a human. This is not a human. It's a Robloxian. That is a 5. I think. I don't know. Okay, let's look up B. See what happens. Okay.
The kittens
Ball.
are currently on my head.
This makes sense. Base. Okay, this makes sense. Basketball. 8 ball. 4 ball. Sorry, I had to do it. Beach ball. Why did it think that this was a ball? Why? Kind of makes sense, but doesn't. And no. Just no. Blocks. These are not blocks. Technically, villagers are blocks. Oh, and this is a villager meme. Go wild. Screenshot this and go wild. Go ham. You can make it a meme of me or one of my object OCs or any one of the Pillager Slayer 64 cats. Yes, I'm calling my people, I make my cast now. And some others too. Ugh. Didn't look away from the mic when I inhaled. Ah. Okay. Another random letter. Let's go with A. A. It thinks for an X are art. Good job, iPad. You're not being dumb for once. It also thinks these are art. Beautiful. Good job, iPad. You're not being dumb for once. I think my hands just fell asleep. Good job. Hey, it's the border I made. That's that 4 on YT, the X on YT, and there's me. Yeah. There's this. For some reason, I thought these were art.
Okay, let's leave the video. Oops, that's later Slayers in Kitten language. Wait.
He's gonna be upset because this is money that he lost.
Okay, this is Pillager Slayer 64 and no name. No name is this one. This is no name. He's black and white. I'm dark cream. They are black and white. No name has no name. What's their name? No name. Or should I call him Mew? Cause that's the sound kittens make. Yeah, Mews. And this is Cream. She's she's black, orange, and white. A mix of them. You might have seen them in a previous video. This is Pillager Slayer 64 and 2 kittens. Signing off. Later, Slayers.